1947 Oldsmobile convertible. This is the big Olds Series 98, and it's an older restoration that has a little bit of a modification. We'll get into that later, but let me walk around the car, show you what we got here. This car is for sale, and I'm helping one of the local car guys that doesn't do internet or phone calls or anything else. He asked for my help, so I stepped up to the plate, and let's see what we can do to find a new home for Ralph's 47 Olds convertible. The Baron Bonnie top, upholstery all redone in the original pattern style. Nice sheet metal. You can look at the bottoms of the doors, the rockers, all those areas. Very good solid sheet metal. Very nice survivor, what we'll call it. Convertible top frame in very good condition, and the convertible top is hydraulic, but the hydraulic cylinders leak, so he's got them disconnected, and we can raise and lower the top manually. And the same thing for the hydraulic seat is not operable. Rear windows are manual. Front windows are power, electric. Now let's get into what's under the hood. With one hand and holding the camera, I can't get in there and open the hood for you, but it's got a Chevy 350 and a Turbo 350 under the hood. The car, from what I'm told, had a non-running, incorrect Oldsmobile 8-cylinder flathead, but since it wasn't even original to the car and not running, it got pulled out and replaced with the Chevy. It was originally a hydromatic car, of course, with the Oldsmobile Flathead 8. There we go, we got it open. So a nice clean installation of the Chevy. And the car's rewired 12 volts, done very nicely. Has the original radiator in it. So if somebody really wanted to get serious about an original car and who knew where there was the correct engine, you could certainly put it back to original. It has a stock Oldsmobile brakes and steering. Everything else is original, just the Chevy conversion. So there you have it. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.